Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2018 Ford Expedition Max XLT 4-wheel drive. Stock number E2035A. 36,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Shadow black in color. You do receive Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler's exclusive limited lifetime powertrain warranty. This Expedition seats 8, leather interior. Rear heat and air control to make sure everybody's comfortable. Middle row seats fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that also seats 3. Excuse me. Expedition's very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating with backup camera and rear parking sensors. Trailering package. And power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Power folding second and third row seats. Fold flat with the push of a button. Giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Running boards make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This XLT has keyless entry, along with touchpad entry, remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 3 drivers, power seats, power adjustable pedals, and power tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Oversized moonroof. Push button start. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, 4 radio, 3-zone temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming, navigation, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio, heated seats, heated steering wheel, as well as cooled seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Wireless cell phone charging, 10-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter, and 4-wheel drive. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, power moonroof control, and home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Expedition has a 3.5 liter twin turbo V6, 275 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average 60 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Expedition, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.